How to create a Shein account on the mobile app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account for Shein on the mobile app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So I'm using an Android device, but the same rules would apply if you're using an Apple device. So head over to the App Store or the Play Store and download the Shein app. Once it's downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button. Once the app's opened, tap on the Me button in the bottom right hand corner. On this next page, tap on Sign in and Register at the top. Once you're here, you have the option to either sign in or register. So sign in if you've already got a username and password. If not, tap on Register. So here what you want to do is enter in your email address first, and also make sure you've got your location set to the correct location above. Next, enter in a password. So nothing special with the password, just 8 characters minimum, at least one letter and at least one number. Next, you have to tap on to agree to the privacy and cookie policy, also the terms and conditions. And lastly, if you'd like to receive exclusive offers and news by email, tap on that option also. Finally, tap on the register button and then you would have created an account. And that's all it takes to create a Shein account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.